Are you frustrated with the challenges of finding or constructing an ideal marriage hall that truly captures the essence of your special day? Without the right design and construction expertise, what should be a memorable celebration can quickly turn into a logistical nightmare. With our expert marriage hall building design and construction services, we transform your vision into reality. Our team specializes in designing stunning, spacious venues that not only look incredible but are also tailored to meet your unique needs. We understand that every couple has a distinct style, so we collaborate closely with you to bring your dream hall to life, from innovative layouts to exquisite decor. Whether you're planning an intimate gathering or a grand celebration, our commitment to quality and attention to detail ensures that your venue will leave a lasting impression on every guest. Take that first step toward the perfect wedding venue today. Contact us to start your journey and create a space where unforgettable memories are made. To know more details, visit our website, link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.